Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Roma and I'm here to teach you a makeup tutorial on contouring. So contouring does depend on your face shape, so I'm actually going to do 5 little mini contouring workshops. Today we are going to contour as if you had an oval face. So I don't have an oval face, so bear with me as I try to show you how this works. I have taken a before picture and I'll take an after picture as well because that'll help you to really see the difference. So when you contour and use cheek color, there's basically 3 shades that you're working with. There's the color for the cheek color, of course, and then there's a darker shade for the shadowed areas and a lighter shade to highlight some areas. And contouring is essentially reshaping or re-enhancing the shape of your face. So typically other face shapes try to be like an oval face. So that's sort of our primary objective. So today we're going to pretend we have an oval face. If you have an oval face, you're one of those lucky ones. And we'll just do some basic contouring. Today I also want to show you some differences in materials that you can use for highlighting and contouring. Today I'm actually going to be using our Mary Kay Cream to Powder Foundation, Endless Performance Cream to Powder. It is absolutely incredible. So today I am actually wearing the foundation as my base. I am a beige one, so I'm this color here. It looks quite cakey on the palette itself, but I will tell you that it is super smooth, and it actually, once you put it on, it's got sort of a powdery finish feel to it, which is kind of cool. It does help mattify. It is a full coverage foundation. You can actually build on it. You can apply with a sponge. You can apply with your fingers. I like to use our blending brush. If you haven't had a chance to actually feel or touch this brush before, it's incredible. It feels, even though these are all little bristles, it actually feels like velvet. It's amazing. So that's what I use to apply my base foundation today. But when we're contouring, you can use the cream to powder foundations are really, really great to use for contouring. And what we're going to do is just use a couple shades lighter for the highlight and a couple shades darker for the contour color. So with an oval face, you basically want to highlight the spot in the middle. So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to use, now I'm a beige one, but we're going to use ivory one for our highlight color. So what we want to do is highlight our forehead area and our chin. So we're going to draw attention to those central spots. And then we are going to put our contour color, which I'm going to use, I think actually I'm going to use beige 3, so 2 shades higher or darker or deeper. And this is going to go directly under your cheekbones. So some people have trouble finding their cheekbones. So I'm going to teach you a really great trick to use. If you hold your hand straight, and then tuck your hand under your cheekbone, it'll actually like let your cheekbone sit on your hand. That will tell you that is where you want your contour color to go. So you want to kind of bring it right from your hairline, and you want to bring it about no more than the outer corner of your eye. Okay, so you can kind of see the color there. We'll do the same on this side, from the hairline just to that outer corner of the eye. So these colors are very subtle. You can see just a touch of difference. You don't want to be crazy so that you look like you're a striped person. We want to keep nice and soft contouring so it doesn't look like crazy. Then I'm going to use my blending brush and just blend. So I'm going to pull this out from the center. You can use your fingers. You don't want to get rid of all the color. We just want to blend it in so that there's not a harsh divide, or so that it looks like it's caked on there. Nice and soft. So you can really see that contour color and even the pop of highlight. Then we're going to use our cheek brush and a little bit of blush color. I wanted to keep it fairly simple today. We are going to be using Rose. It's quite a pink color. And with the oval face, you want to apply blush in the apples of your cheeks, and then you're going to sweep towards your temples. So you're going to smile, find those apples of your cheeks, and then take it up towards your temple. So there's a little bit of color and some contouring happening. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hopefully that helps you and that gives you a little bit of more information about how we contour and why we contour. Take care. Have a great day.